Hey, fifth grade, we are going to look at a final writing project that we are going to work on. This one is just our favorite memories of fifth grade. So what I want us to do is go up and get into Google Docs. For our title, let's do Memories of Fifth Grade. And then I'll say bye and your name. Okay. Then all you have to do down here is write about your favorite memories of fifth grade. What are some fun times that you had at school? Maybe if you have some memories of activities that you did outside of school as well, that is totally fine. If you do choose to write about activities outside of school, just make sure that you also have activities from in school as well. I'm just curious to hear about what are all the things you did in fifth grade, not only maybe in specials and other things like that, but maybe outside school as well. So, best of luck, and I look forward to reading these.